Hello everyone and welcome to my balcony garden. Today's video is my spring balcony garden tour, which has actually been requested by a few of you. If you're familiar with my channel, you'll know that I love growing spring flowering bulbs. I do a load of bulb planting in autumn and also videos on the topic, so I am sharing the fruits of my labour with you today. If you'd like to see any of those bulb videos, I'll link the playlist above. Otherwise, enjoy! So that was my spring balcony garden tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you'd like to support the channel, subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe and well. I send you all my good wishes and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.